Term numero uno, GTIN. That stands for Global Trade Item Number. Global Trade Item Number, GTIN. What the hell is that? Well, it's the blanket term for things like UPC barcodes or UPC codes or EAN codes. It is or ISBN numbers. It is a blanket term for all of those. So UPCs, EAN, ISBNs, blah, 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 blah. Okay? And there are some instances on Amazon where you can request to not get or to list your product without actually putting on or putting in a UPC code, a EAN code, an ISBN number, whatever it may be. That process is called a GTIN exemption. Now, when would you get a GTIN exception? Well, actually more often than you might think. If you are, for instance, selling one-off handmade items on Amazon, then you would definitely want to get a GTIN exemption for that, because it's a one-off item. Getting a UPC code for it is going to be prohibitively expensive, and once it's sold, it's sold. You're never going to sell that same item again. So that's definitely cause for a GTIN exemption. But also, if you are bundling a product together, let's suppose that you've got 3 items that you're selling on Amazon, and each one of those items has got its own UPC barcode, because it must have. Well, you can bundle all those 3 items together, and then you can apply for a GTIN exemption based on the fact that you've bundled those items together and the constituent parts have got UPC barcodes. Amazon will give you a free UPC exemption so that you don't need to get a UPC for the bundle. That's another time when you could do that. You can also do it as well if you are selling wholesale products and the wholesaler has not got a UPC code on their products. You can ask for an exemption then. You can also do it as well if you create your own products, aka private label, then you can ask for a GTIN, and I've heard of people getting the exemption then too. So you can do it in lots and lots of different situations, and it's given that barcodes from GS1 barcodes are bloody expensive, then it's certainly a good idea if you're doing certain things. Now, where'd you do that? It's at sellercentral.amazon.com.au or .com or .co.uk, whatever it is, followed by GTINX. So there you go. That's how you would do it, and you can apply for your GTINX exemption. So that's it. Dead easy. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.